Hello everyone, today I want to show you how to install heavy quad hooks on your wall. Before you start installation, you need to consider the area, the surface that you will be installing your hooks on. And of course you want to make sure there are no piping and there are no electrical wires behind the wall. Let's go. Oh yeah. Okay, so as you can see, because I have wood paneling, the start finder gets confused and it's very inconsistent. There are no way studs are every 5 inches. So what happens here is we're gonna be installing pretty much blind. What we know, there are no electrical wires and there is no piping in this side of the house. If you have multiple hooks in a row like me, I have 3 of them, grab the level and make sure that you have level for the last hook. Because I have this hole, I'm pretty much sure that the distance between all of them is pretty much equal. You need, of course, you can measure the distance between first 2 and then it will be the same distance for the last hook. Now take your hook and measure up, and this will be the position. Mark both holes. Have a stable surface that will allow you to drill horizontally, not from the bottom, not from the top, but just horizontally. For this hook we'll be using drywall screws, and I took pretty small ones because we're gonna apply glue around them, which will allow to hold well. And now for that I don't need to install any anchors. So if you're installing in a drywall, you can consider either using the construction adhesive after you drill the hole, or you can install plastic anchors. Take construction adhesive, then we want to put it in the hole. Okay, the same here. Take a hook. Since you already have holes, it's easy for you to install. And then do the same on the other side. And then you can just screw them gradually. Take a screwdriver and finish with a screwdriver. You can wipe it off very easily once it hasn't dried. You can use paper or you can use some wet towel and just wipe off the excessive adhesive. Now I'm going right away to test it, even though it's not dried out. In your case, you might leave it to dry out and then test it. So I have this bag with this extension cord. It's pretty heavy, and I'm just gonna put it on. And as you can see, holds pretty well, even though the glue hasn't dried yet. So we leave it to dry overnight, and tomorrow it's gonna be stuck for a very long time. And that's how you attach a heavy hook to your drywall, to your paneling, to any surface, just by using drywall screws and construction adhesive. As usual, thanks for watching, and let me know if you have any questions or comments below. Cheers!